Hello, I'm Ricardo. This time I want to show you the disassembled view and the USB booting setting for their Samsung laptop computer NT270E5J-K85L model. As you can see, now you are seeing that specification for this laptop computer. The CPU is that Intel Core i5 4210U processor, right? The memory is the 4 GB. You can install the maximize the memory size will be the 16 GB. The storage is that SSD 128 GB. The display is that the LED display anti-reflective, right? Network battery ODD, right? This is the bottom side of the notebook. Then open the LED display. Then you can see the keyboard side. This is the left side of this laptop computer. You can see the link photo, which means the RJ45 jack, VGA port, HDMI, USB 2.0, audio combo, card reader, right? This is the right side of the laptop computer, the USB 2.0 to USB 2.0 jack, right? To assemble the bottom case, you need to unscrewing the 15 screws, including this screw under the rubber. And this is the label of the bottom case. I can show you that after disassemble the bottom case. As you can see the left side, you are now seeing that the ODD, the center, the SSD, the right side, the memory under the cover. Then upside, you can see that the CPU under the heat pipe, the cooling fan. This is the network of the wireless module. I think this laptop showed the simple composing, right? Then detailed, you can see that the ODD, right? The SSD, cooling fan. Now you can see that the CPU under the heat pipe. This is the touchpad button left and right. This is the right side port. You can see the 2 USB port. Then you can see that the small speaker, the 4 ohm, 1.5 watt, very small. This is the port. This is the memory RAM, right? Under the cover. Let's take up the memory. Install the 4 GB, right? PCL 3L. Only can be installed the DDR3L. And you can see that the wireless module. This area is the ODD side. This is the wireless module. This is connected to the wireless module, right? This is the bottom side of the bottom case. This is the battery. 6 cells. It can. This is the rating for the 48 watt the hour. Okay, this is the DVD relightable driver. Okay, now I'm show you that how to set up the USB putting. Okay, this is the BIOS menu main tab. Okay, can go to the boot tab. Firstly you can choose the custom OS under the OS mode selection. Okay, then you go to the boot option priority. Now you need to click the USB under the boot option, the number 1. Alright, can save the all setting. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this movie.